In that part, the production and vegetation will be less. Production and vegetation will be less. So we will be doing greenhouse farming. What we will be doing? Greenhouse farming. Now what is greenhouse farming? One building will be made. One building will be made. Okay? This is a roof. This is a roof. This roof will be made of glass or cloth. Which part? Glass or cloth. Okay? So the sun rays will be directly entering because it is made up of glass or cloth. Windows. We are keeping curtains. Curtains, yes? Why we are keeping curtains? Because sun rays can't enter in the room or home. So the sun rays directly falls. So due to that, the production will be happen. Yes? Why greenhouse farming? In the some of the parts, there is no, there is cold. The heat is less, so that the crop production cannot be done. So that rainfall will be less. That's why we are doing greenhouse farming. We will be making a building in which the roof is made up of glass or cloth. As it is a made up of glass or cloth, the sun rays will be directly penetrating inside. As sun rays are directly penetrating, some of the gas are also entering from the sun rays. Which are they? Carbon dioxide, but obvious? Yes? Carbon dioxide, CO2. Methane, CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon. Nitrous oxide. Yes? And halocarbons. Okay? So with the sun rays, these gases are also entering inside the building, which helps the crop production to grow. So which are the gases? Carbon dioxide, methane, CFC, nitrous oxide and halocarbons. Okay? So this farming is known as greenhouse farming. Clear? Yes. What is greenhouse farming? In simple words I have explained. Clear? In some of the places there is cold, where in northern part, that is in Kashmir, Srinagar and that all. Yes? So for there will be most of plant and vegetation will be not there. So for production will be less. So how we will be doing production? We will make a building in which the roof is made up of glass or cloth, so that the sun rays will be directly entering inside. As sun rays are directly entering inside, with that some of the gases are also entering, which is carbon dioxide, methane, CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide and halocarbons. And this farming is known as greenhouse farming. Clear what is greenhouse farming? Yes. Greenhouse. Clear? Okay, who will read what is greenhouse farming? Yes. So it is hampers the growth of plants and vegetables. That means destruction. Not too much of plants and vegetation will be grow. Clear? What is greenhouse farming? Very simple topic. You can write by your own words also. Can you write? Now, what is global warming? Why? That I will explain that. And why climate is changing? Why climate is changing? Yesterday only told. Due to global warming. So now what is global warming? Again I have to explain this only. Global warming means due to greenhouse effect. Due to greenhouse effect, that is the gases which are entering inside the room. Yes, that is carbon dioxide, methane, CFC. These gases are entering inside. Yes. So due to this, the climate will be changing. Due to this, the climate will be changing. Why? Because ultraviolet rays will be increased. Ultraviolet rays will be increased. The temperature will be rising up due to this gas. Now this is made up of glass or cloth. So rays will be higher, temperature will be higher. But obviously the temperature will be higher because it is made up of glass or cloth. Yes. So as temperature will be higher, this gas will be entering inside. So due to this, the atmosphere will be affected. Yes. So there will be change in temperature. Rainfall will be less again. Then what happens? Unequal disturbance, continuous rise due to greenhouse effect. This is known as global warming. What is global warming? Due to greenhouse effect, the rays, due to the entering of rays, the gases are also rising. Due to that, the unequal disturbance will be happen. Rising in temperature will be happen. Due to that, the environment will be affected, and that is known as global warming. Due to that, the climate will be also changing. Clear? Clear? Great. I have told that was only no. Due to greenhouse effect, the temperature will be high. Underline. Due to the UV rays, that is ultraviolet rays. Clear? So due to that, the fossil fuel and that all we are using this vehicles and that all. Yes. So due to that, carbon monoxide is coming out. Due to that, also pollution will be occur. Due to that, also global warming also increases. Due to that, temperature will be rising up. Due to that, the climate also will be changing. Then for our making house and that all, we are cutting trees and that all. Yes. So deforestation again happens. Due to that, rainfall will be less. So wildlife will be also destroyed because we are cutting trees and that all. Forest area will be damaged. So due to this, global warming happens. Okay, clear what is global warming? Next, news from newspaper. These are the example. News from newspaper are the example. In West Europe, their greenhouse effect was done. So the temperature was increased to 5 degrees Celsius. How much? So heat was experienced. Second, in Darjeeling. Darjeeling again is a colder place because there is mountainous region. So it rises up to 14 degrees Celsius, and there was the climate was 14 degrees Celsius, and it reached up to 28 degrees Celsius in 2009. Then in Mumbai, due to global warming, some of the places there will be cloudy climate and that also rain also will be happening. So in Mumbai, we experienced in 2005 in one day how much rainfall was happened? 942 milliliter, not liter, milliliter. Second, temperature increased in Australia in 2005, Sundarban, that is in West Bengal, that is a forest, Sundarban forest, where mangrove trees are grown. There also temperature increased. Then in Khumbu, 5 kilometer reduction was there. Snow river of Nepal, which was started melting off and converted into water. Ice cap of the size of 3,250 square kilometers melt in 35 days in Antarctica. In Antarctica, how much ice was melt up? 3,250 square kilometers. And sources of rivers are dry. Due to this, the rivers started drying. Clear? Clear? Shall read.
Yes.
Halocarbon. I have told you, due to this, these gases are also entering inside. Due to this, the global warming occurs and climate will be changing. So, beside that, you are given graph of 1995 to 2004 mean temperature is given. Yes, you have studied mean, median, and mode. Abhayega. Okay, mean, median, mode. So how much it increased? The temperature increased 0.6 degrees Celsius in last how many years? 100 years, and it is measured in which? That is ppm, part per million. How much? Part per million. And carbon dioxide 64% on Earth, CFC 65, methane 10, and halocarbon 0.5. Due to this, the global warming happens. Okay. In 100 years, the amount of CO2 was 275. Today it is how many ppm? 350 ppm. How many ppm? 350 ppm. And ppm means part per million. That is example. 280 ppm is equals to 0.28%. So 280 is that, then you have to divide it by 1000. Clear? Clear? So we will keep today till here. Now open your fair books and start writing notes of chapter number 6. If you don't have fair books, write it in your First, I will be giving you all long question answers of chapter number 6, then objectives, true or false, filling the blanks and that all. Okay? Start writing. Write chapter number 6, name of the chapter 6. Effect of British rule in India. Chapter number 6. Effects of British rule in India. And you have to write it in. If you are not having fair book, write it in rough book, but you have to write compulsory. Notes I will not be sending you. Make a heading. Answer the following questions in brief. Clear? Answer the following questions in brief. After writing chapter number 6, chapter's name, make a heading. Answer the following questions in brief. Return. Return. All the boys. First question. What was What was the condition? What was the condition, that is condition, of condition of India of India till the arrival, 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 till the arrival of the British. What was the condition of India? India till the arrival of the British. Question mark. Till the arrival of the British. Question mark. Answer 1. Point. Make a point, that is arrow. Clear? Point. India was a very rich. India was a very rich. R-I-C-H. India was very rich and economically, 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 economically prosperous, P-R-O-S, prosperous country. India was very rich and economically prosperous country till T-I-L-L, till the 18th century, till the 18th century, C-E-N-T-U-R-Y. Okay, what is this question telling you? That how was the condition of India before, when British came to India? Okay, when British came to India, how was our condition? We were very rich. We were having money. We were having raw materials too much, industries, techniques, and we were trading with other countries, that is European countries. We were trading, yes? But after their arrival, we became poor. Okay? So first point over. Second, make a arrow and write.
Ma'am,
After the death, D-E-A-T-H, death. After the death of Aurangzeb. Whose death? Aurangzeb. After the death of Aurangzeb, A-U-R-A-N-G-Z-E-B, Aurangzeb, comma, there were, T-H-E-R-E, there were, W-E-R-E, were, a few political, F-E-W, few, comma, there were, a few, F-E-W, few, political, P-O-L-I-T-I-C-A-L, political, disturbance, TUR, BAN, BANCES. Disturbance in the Indian states. In the Indian states. States, STATES, states. But that could not, harm, the nations, NATION, nation apostrophe S, nations apostrophe S, economy, ECO, nations economy, ECONOMY, full stop. Now written, full stop. Next point. Make a point and write arrow. India was a rich, RICH, rich in its. India was rich in its production, PRODUCTION, production. India was rich in its, its. Rich, RICH, rich in its production, 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 production techniques, 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 industries. That is answer only. One answer only I am writing you. Industries. India was rich in its production techniques, industries and industries, industries and organization, ORGANIZATION, organization of trade, trade, organization of trade, trade, and commerce, 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 with, continue only, with a rich, RICH, rich source of, source, SOURCE, source of raw material, RAW, source, SOURCE, source of raw material for England and other, other European countries, other European, EUROPEN, European countries. Full stop. EUROPEAN. Clear? Next point. Next point. Make a point and write. However, HOWEVER. However. First answer only we are writing. However. Next point. However, comma. Comma. When the when the British first question only I am giving you. In that you are having points. When the British arrived, ARRIVED, arrived in India. However, when the British arrived in India, however, comma, when the British arrived in India, again, comma, they not only ruled, they not only ruled, RULED, ruled over her, 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 but also they not only ruled over but also exploited, 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 but also exploited her, but also exploited her economically, by, but also exploited her economically, 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 by, 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 not BYE, by, selling, 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 by selling, LLING, commodities, 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 by selling commodities which were manufactured, FACTURED, factured, by selling commodities which were manufactured in their, THEIR, their factories, commodities which were manufactured in their factories, 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 and mills, mills, at a very high price to Indians. So what they were doing, which we were manufacturing in factories and at all, they were selling very high price, at very high price, that is inflation, at a very high price to Indians, which were manufactured in their factories and mills at a very high price to Indians, full stop. Next point, last. So, comma, they ruined, ruined, so, comma, ruined, INED. Ruined. R-U-I-N-E-D. Ruined. All the economic activities 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 and India became and economically poor. So they ruined almost all. They ruined all economic activities, and India became economically poor. Economically poor and handicapped. Economically poor and handicapped. HANDICAPPED.